Hi, friends. I wish an awesome day to all of you. I am doing this presentation to introduce you various innovative apps in English. We English teachers are lucky enough to have innumerable apps related to our subject available in the Google Play Store. But unfortunately, most of us are unaware of these apps. Let me introduce some of these apps. There are apps related to poems, essays, grammar, phonetics, phrasal verbs, idioms and phrases. Everything is available. You just surf the Play Store and install the app we needed. Let me first introduce to you the app of English Poems. You just install the app from Google Play Store. After that, you just open the app of English Poems, and in this app we could see a list of authors, and we could search the authors by their name, and we will get introduced to the works of that authors. For example, if we type the name of Wordsworth, we could see the poems by Wordsworth. More than that, if we want to see the details of a particular poem by a particular author, for example, lines written in early spring, just type the title of that poem and we could see the poem. This is a very good app, and there are also other apps option available inside this app, and we could install the apps we needed. The second app I am going to introduce is English Essays app. Inside this app, we could get a lot of essays on different aspects, essays on power, moral values, science and technology. Everything is available there. We just search the topic we needed. For example, if we search educational essays, there are a lot of essays available inside that topic, and we could select the topic we needed. This is a very good app for we English teachers, since we have to help our students with essays and speeches. Another app I am going to introduce is SSLC app. Inside this app, there is options for various objects. Just touch the English option and we could see study materials related to our language. And there is option for sharing the study material with our students through social medias or through WhatsApp. Another app is Edu English app. It's a very good app, and all of us, we English teachers, should definitely install this app, because we will get informed about the latest news regarding our education, our syllabus, and also there is options for getting the materials of SSLC, 8th standard, 9th standard, and even Kite Victor's live stream is also available inside this app. Just click the option, Victor's channel live is there. SSLC, 8th and 9th, all of us should definitely install this app. This is a very beneficial one. Another app I am going to introduce is English phrasal verbs apps. Just type the phrasal verb we want and just search the meaning of that phrasal verb, and we will get the meaning along with the example. And there is share option there. We could share it with our students. This is also very beneficial, since we have to teach English phrasal verbs in high school classes. Another app I am going to introduce to is English Grammar app. Almost all the grammatical items that we are teaching in the high school classes is available inside this app. Parts of speech, phrases, degrees of comparison, articles, question tags, homophones, differences between American English and British English, prefixes, suffixes, question tags. All the details are seen inside this, and there is also practice sessions available for each grammatical elements. Let us introduce this app to our students and make them do these practice sessions. Another app I am going to introduce to you is Teacher App English. This is a very good app to teach our students not only grammar but also phonetics. We could hear the pronunciation by just touching the word we need.
Journey. Add.
There are details of phonetics in this app. Vowels, consonants, everything is included in this app. It's a very good app as we English teachers are concerned. Let's introduce these apps to our students. Let us make use of these apps and sensitize our children with the various language elements and study materials. Thank you.